I'm back for another unboxing. Well, I'll say trying on Dripto Token shoes. I got these shoes right from the Dripto Grails, and this is the information it looks like right here. If I turn this around, streetwear culture, crypto technology. I got this one, the Dripto Grails, and I use my Dripto tokens to do this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try these shoes on the white and black NIKES. You see that right here? So I'm gonna try this on. It feels like $100,000 that I got my foot here. So look at this, it feels so good. And even at the top here, you know, see the top here, let's see there, Nike and the swoosh, so it's real, and the other side as well. So that's the left foot. And then here is the right foot. Trying the right foot on a beautiful day in Daytona Beach. Look at this, okay. They kind of slip on very simple and very easy. Nikes, check that out right there, the tag on. So just tried it on, going for a little walk, and got the information. Thank you for your purchase. We appreciate you for being part of the Dripto community. Tag us on socials on there as well. So here are the shoes. I'm taking a walk near the pond. See that pond right there? Taking a walk near the pond. Boom, boom, I could take off running with these things. That's the Dripto Token shoes. Nikes right from the Grails. Go to driptotoken.com and go ahead and get acclimated with Dripto's going on. Outstanding team, great community, good service, and look at this. Even I'm walking, feels good. You can kind of hear that. Can you hear that? Can you hear it? Hear it? So I'm gonna back off, back up, and bring it to here right now. So this is it right here. About us. Dripto was built to solve two problems, and you see them right there. There's the solution. And Dripto Token right there. All right, guys, these shoes feels fantastic. Go to dripto.com and get yourself some shoes. My name is Shelton, the captain, and I'll see you on the next video.